Forecast Back Forecast GBPUSD, tips for beginner traders on October 9th US. Session trade analysis and advice for trading the premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. Trade analysis and advice for trading the British pound. The price test of 1.3399 occurred at the moment when the MetaTrader indicator had just begun moving downward from the zero mark, confirming the correct entry point for selling the pound and resulting in a decline toward the target level of 1.3362. The pound's latest drop confirms its position in a deep bearish market, marked by yet another update of the weekly low. Investors and traders are cautiously watching developments, trying to determine fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get